Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this. It's an ice porcelain cooling neck fan. We're going to see how this one here compares to some of these other ones that I've had in the past. It is a neck fan with an extra cooling ability. So let's open it up and see how this one looks. So it's a bit more robust maybe than some of the other ones because it has this metal plate here, which looks like the fans are going to blow over that little metal plate to keep it going as well. Let's see. It's got this little, I don't know, is it satisfying to take it off? Not so much for me. Okay, and then we have our buttons here. I guess these are going to be the power buttons. And there it is. Ooh, oh, I feel it blowing. It's pretty cool. And I'm increasing the fan. I don't know if it's going to cut off my sound. And there's even higher. Wow, this is really getting a lot. It's going to make my ears cold. My ears are a little wet. I got out of the shower. So that's that. What does the back button do? I think the back button is the back fan. Let me see. I'll tell you in a second. The fan button, refrigeration button. That's the refrigeration button. Is the back button here? Is there wherever it is? Where were the buttons? The back button is the refrigeration. So I'm on refrigeration 2. Cooling 1, I guess. Let's see. Refrigeration button is C and fan button is F. Okay, so that's cooling. Cooling 1, cooling 2, cooling 3. So we got 3 levels of cooling. So heck, I'll leave it on 3. 3 cooling and 3 fan. So now I'm cooling and fan, and that's actually really cool. I'm gonna say it's really nice. If I was walking around like outside in the summer, like going to like the flea market or something like that, man, this would be the greatest device ever to have. Oh my gosh. And I can turn it up. And I would probably keep it on low just so you can hear more things around you. But holy mackerel, this is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna say this one wins as far as the best cooling fan I've tried. So it has the, let's see, it's got the air outlets that are coming out here. It's blowing out in the back slightly as well. Wow. Yeah, and it looks like, oh, I can just feel it. It's so cool back here, even through my shirt. If I took it off, I just totally do that. This is a really nice fan. Okay, this would be great. Actually, my mom could really use this because she likes to go out in the hot, and she gets overheated. So this is really cool. So it's got the little buttons there. So I can say fan 2, fan 3, cooling 1, 2, 3, and then I think you just hold it down to turn it off. There you go. And let's see how it charges here. Let's see, right there, USB-C. And it probably comes with the wire. That's probably what that other thing was in here. The only other thing in the box is this wire, and it is going to charge from USB to USB-C. So that's really nice. So it comes with the little wire and everything you need right here. So I'm going to charge this sucker here, and I'm going to be ready to go. How cool is that? Super awesome. Thumbs up.